Alright, Common Gaming, I'm gonna do an unboxing of this and I'll show you the wind-up in the pool I have. This is the front Montoy Speedboat, $1.75, 08352826. Wind-up motors in 3 languages. And then this is Montoy in the back. Here's the barcode. And it has, VIN number. This is not a real vehicle. 70224 this is just a toy. This won't be registered for a motorized vehicle. Well, there's a decal falling off. That's strange. Let's open this up. I got this red one. I got the other one too in 2 places. There it is. Look at this. There, I put it on better. Someone just put this in there. The decal is falling off. A racing stripe. This one is falling off there. Or, I don't know what that one was for. There, fixed it. No, I don't care if it's folded, that's fine. This is number 2 on the side. And it's a big, huge engine in the back, an outboard. So, yeah. Here it is. Got some height to it. Alright. I'm gonna jump cut and take this to the pool I have. I'm gonna wind it up. Goes like this. Goes like that. Okay, it works. Okay, this is good. Well, I'm gonna wind it up, put it in the pool. Hopefully it floats and doesn't sink. I don't know if there's any holes, but yeah, just like a nice toy boat. And yeah, okay, I'm gonna jump cut the warp speed. 3, 2, 1, warp speed. Okay, back. I'm gonna put this in. I've already wound it up, so let's see how fast this is and or how slow it is. There it is. Capsized. Look at this. It capsizes. It's too heavy. That's funny. It just capsizes. That's funny. For $1.75, I think you should just open it up and maybe put some coins in the front, because it's weighted to the back and it capsizes. That is hilarious. Yeah, for $1.75, what can you expect? Oh well, that's fine. At least it's fun. Would I recommend buying it? If you want to have some laughs, yeah, buy it. But yeah, it's funny. It gets a score out of for funniness, 10 out of 10. For the weight, it was too weighted in the back, so they needed to put some weights in the front to counteract. Yeah, it just kept capsizing.